Hey guys, apparently I took my tripod out of the car, or I would normally have that, but I just wanted to do a quick Dollar Tree haul. So I picked up 2 of these baskets. This adorable color. We use these to store things around the house, and we had run out and they didn't have it, and I was in there for something else and I saw them, so I picked them up. This is originally what I went in for, was a container like this, but you know how it is with Dollar Tree, you don't just leave with what you came for. So I got a hydrating facial toner, watermelon and aloe from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. I found facial gel hydrating watermelon and aloe. I'm assuming this is a moisturizer without saying it's a moisturizer. Facial gel. I got these adorable little slime putty hearts. I'm hoping it's more putty than it is slime. But it's got a little bit of glitter in there and some eyeballs. Just thought these were super cute. I got those for me and some of my friends. These finger protectors. I was just needing something like this the other day because I kept stabbing myself with a crochet hook under my nail. And I was just wishing I had something, so I grabbed 2 packs of these. I'm going to put them in my sewing kit so I know where they are. Oh, sad face. I just noticed one is damaged. I'm not going back in. I'll use it just like it is. Crafter Square detailing scissors, also in hot pink. I think there's a thing for hot pink with this company. God, everything I bought is pink, besides the containers. All pink Starburst, they are my favorite. And then I got these squeeze applicator bottles. I know a lot of people were using spray ones, but I got these to put like leftover essence from like the Tatcha mask into, and then I'll squeeze them out and use them. So that is my quick Dollar Tree haul. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other content, and I'll see you guys later. If you want a review on any of these products, like the finger protectors or the scissors, if they work with like yarn, just leave me a comment and I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for watching. Bye. I forgot to mention these cute brush cleaners and facial roller that I also spotted at the Dollar Tree.